Good luck.
Yeah?
You want to get some now? Chose.
You trying to see his pretty feet. It doesn't work.
Did he just say?
What do you mean?
Oh, I thought he meant something else. I thought he meant something else. Oh my god. I was like, this boy. Who raised you? We're back.
Only your girl.
Spiciest truth or dare.
What the fresh into that?
Neskilo.
Angaphiki dokphika. Yo, suka endleleni. Shaka vika kaphi. Uzithola ulimele. Subscribe lapho. Subscribe manje. Subscribe. 1 2 start. Nazok. Spiciest truth or dare, no? Ubando.
It's
Shasha. What? What's his name? ShaShade Thingz. What the hell is your name? Yeah, you know it.
Yeah, it's...
You're a Leo.
Yeah.
That's full of it.
That one.
Ubaba wakho. Ukuponya mina. Sinongaka.
And today we'll be filming Truth or Dare, you feel me? The spiciest edition of
It's a classic. Now, who allowed this thing to happen? Kada ma principal anjani?
Like, subscribe and comment. Let's get this shit.
Don't tell me these kids are in high school.
Yeah, they look like they're in high school.
If you don't do that there, you get pie. I got my shit prepared, you feel me? Yeah, I'ma pie you and shit. Yeah. From the audience, I am quite upset.
Just like us too old to be with these kids.
That's not a big
Hey, from the audience. Boys or girls? Rock, paper, scissors.
No, it's not like...
Rock, paper, scissors. Hold your card, my boy.
Catalan. Video mfana.
Hey, yeah, and let's get this shit me show me. Number that. Number what? 4. Number 4, girl number 4. Yeah, let's get this shit. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Let me read it for you. Yeah.
What are you implying?
I'm gonna read it for you.
They are that young, aren't they?
Nah, never. Another one.
Never.
Hi, bo.
What's with the personal feelings? You understand? Go into one. How you bo?
Never. Ay, never. Come on, I'm going to say. Nah, never. Another one.
Uqhage ingane wena.
Uzonesa ama feelings la wena.
Uqhage ingane wena.
Uzothothi uyayifuna le ngane. Yabo ukuthi bokuphuca la.
Uzoqala abafana.
Ngibhekile.
Yeah, for sure. Very true. Truth. Who set the line from the least to the most attractive? So, hold them up. From the least to the most attractive. I'm home. Oh, watch your movie. You're number 1. Movie number 1. Okay. Matter of fact, the handsome one is number 1. You feel me?
Movie. Movie.
Yeah, you must say it in order.
Okay. Number 1 movie. Okay. Jwang.
He has to move. If you move, what
Aye,
things
ka.
I like. Constantly move. Yeah, for sure.
Number 1 movie. Number 2
I have a feeling that our educational system is going to fail to show us that she understands what ascending to descending order means.
Number 3 Okay. Number 4
Why we want your boss?
Number 1 umuntle.
The number 1. So there.
No porisheka.
Number 1, number 2. Who's number 2?
Number 2 Hayo.
Ayo. Babampi.
Yeah.
So he's the prettiest nigga, mo Aliwani. Yeah, for sure.
No porisheka kama.
I understand.
Ama totakazi translate hizi.
Get number 4 in there. Typically that side. So like.
Hey, yo, Queron said. Guy number 5. Devalucha. Truth or dare? Dare, Baba.
Dream piss.
Wait. The truth, man.
Yeah? You gave me number 5.
There's no use to shuffle something.
They pie the least attractive. Yo.
Dare. I dare you to pie the least attractive person.
So for this
Where
kid.
that pie? Pie.
What?
Yeah, we have a pie. We have a fucking pie. So, me too. Devalucha, let's see. Lezenge.
That's not a pie.
Now umuntu ufuna ukuzwisa imali yakho uyayitaste kuqala. Hey. What the fuck is this?
Ayethu shasha. Now,
This cream. Yeah, whipped cream. Uyidlelani?
hey baba, zonga. Away, Lizanke.
Wasn't it great each other?
Let me do it. Subscribe to ShaShade Thingz. Road to 10k subscribers. Whatever.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, he's not nice.
Took there. It's pie.
Oh,
which
one?
Okay.
Isikhathi manani.
Devalucha, let's see.
Kangane, Brian. Devalucha kangane. Yeah, sure. Easy. Honest. On what? Honest, Brian. Adam. Hey, Baba, hey, June. Hey, June, Baba. Hey. Ah, gara yethu right there.
Uyitheke blend. Take uBapakistani mfana.
Ah, never, Shasha wadlala.
Supposed to cream,
Adana
bitch.
wadlala. Ngeke. Never. Awe never, Ntona. Never.
I've seen a mass here, much creamy.
Exactly.
Devalucha,
Uva
umthetho.
uvele wafika nekhathuni labahewu. Kube kade wayiqeda lento ufuna ukuyenza. Uqukuze. Jig-gel.
Adana wadlala.
Ayisibandi into yakho.
Yes, man. Yeah.
Manje umnika namanzi lawa.
Adambe. Armon. You.
I think this game doesn't feel right when it's kids.
Kids,
Like, I can't.
Yeah, it's too much.
I can't say that there's
It's too much.
nah.
What you call too much emotions, too much.
Yeah, too much.
Hormones running around.
Like it's kids. Like now, imagine me running for president. They're like, oh yeah, that guy said that kid is ugly. I didn't even get to see how she looked.
Kana ujabulela amasiko okwenza ngebhande ubaba wakho.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Oh, damn it.
Kodwa leyo cream yakho kufanele ukuthi uyithole phayikho into enjeyana.
Oh, Nkosi yami. Why? I'm starting to hate this game.
Ayi game asiye.
Eva done. Sheba, shoot. Keep your turn. Hey, quite on set. Ken. Hey, quite on set. Hello, sweetheart, number one. Girl number 6. Girl number 6. Okay. Truth or dare? Abambi. Let me read it for you. I'm gonna read it for you.
I would say true.
Because yeah, it very good.
Like I don't feel like doing a dare. And I can't authenticate it. Exactly.
When you hear the chola is the snacks. But yeah, dare. I dare you to kiss them.
Oh, fuck off.
I dare you to kiss the most. Yeah, I dare you to kiss them.
How? You'll read, you can't read. What's going on?
That man cannot read. Underscore.
Utewuzofunda.
Bevafunda.
Kiss them. I dare
Ukwazi uthi quiet, ukwazi ukufunda. Uthi quiet. It's not the noise. It's not the noise.
Listen carefully. Listen carefully. You just listen to the.
Awubona ngathi amagama ngathi azokuwendwa.
Umude kangaka.
But yeah, dare. I dare you to kiss them. I dare.
No one is making noise.
I
Literally
dare
no
you
one
to
is
kiss the most. Yeah.
He wants to smoke. Anyone can get it. He wants someone to try him. He wants someone to try him.
Dare you to kiss the opposite gender for 7 seconds. Yes. Aye. Again, kwala inini lo. Ba touch. Hey, kupa di touch.
Look at this blushing ass nigga.
Oba.
This thing was
No, that's
blushing. Yeah. Like, no homo, but I think he's the most handsome guy. He's the most good looking guy here.
Ngobani manje?
Kupa di touch.
Like, no homo, but then our daughters want to embarrass us as parents. Oh, why is he doing this? Stand up. What?
Oh, I can't say it. I'm taking this shit to the grave. Hey, please have a new YouTube. Cause yeah.
Nice. Who in the line? The most attractive person though.
Nah,
He has to be attractive to you.
Semin, look that side.
Buka ngaphandle.
On the line. Let's get this in.
About the pipe. About the pipe.
You wanna get paid?
Come with. 4, 3, 2.
Blink twice, young lady. Just blink twice if you feel uncomfortable.
Yes, 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 yes.
Builders help you get it done.
Right.
You can do even more in
Hey,
store.
builders.
You can pay a wide range
Let's
of bills at
build
any
it.
till
Yeah,
point
that.
or at our money center counter.
Let's
It's so
build a nice
easy to settle your
relationship,
municipal
therefore.
account.
Anything
Your
you need.
TV license, DSTV or
Builders.
StarSat bill. Pay your home choice.
I would like
Avon,
shoes.
Justine, Average Lane
Builders.
bills and more. Visit builders.co.today/value-added
I would like
services
bricks.
to check out our full list of
Some
services or
of
ask
these
any of our
nearby.
team members in store.
You can pay us in breaks.
Yes, man, it's dinner soda.
I know some hobbies I can flip that shit.
Yo! How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, you not.
That's not nice.
That's
not nice. We tell you, man.
For sure.
Y'all niggas are too old for this.
Libadala,
Y'all niggas are
Hey,
too
yo,
old
man,
for this.
It's a number of boys.
I wanna see consent forms.
Kopa di touch. Kopa let's get it di touch. Alright. Yeah, let's get this shit. Rukoma chiteng ne. Hey yo, guy number 7. Who's guy number 7?
What's up, Baba?
Trutote michung. Trutote. Te. Trutote. Yeah, we'll read it for you. That's not nice.
It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, big dog. Don't.
I tell you to do Kilimanjaro.
It's a dance. Bro, just confess. Confess to something.
Face the camera.
No sound.
Hey, Shy. Hey, Shy.
No sound. No sound. La raza. Kilimanjaro, Baba.
So, yeah.
Is he having epileptic seizures?
Hey.
Navaluja. Oh. Hey, tu con lontana. Choose a number. Yeah. Any number. 7. Game number 7. Trutote. Truth. Oh, shoes. Hold the mic for me. Okay. Yo. Truth. What's the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Show us.
Show us.
What does truth mean, Gardinina? Show us in a scene, brother.
What if I said it was sex?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm blowing a goat.
Oh, you're not get pipe. What's the freakiest thing you've done? And show us. Never. Get pipe. Give a pipe. Come down. What's the freakiest thing you've done?
futhi.
Never.
Umngane wakho ube khona nina.
Ne ke bua le lekgowa ka Sotho.
Wenzani thini? Netbank. Who are you? Oh, standard.
What's up, guys?
Presentable. Senzeni.
We are good, guys.
Somxhasa.
Future life.
Hey.
See feet.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
look at him.
Huh? When last did you do a push up a tricep? You don't even know them.
Dog.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh, I'm done.
Guys, I never get tlhapile phela yo. How?
What did you do? Oh, they want a pie.
What are you about?
Why you choose another one? Why not go when on change it?
Yeah.
I feel it, Pagam. You feel the game, man.
Yeah, because then I leverage.
You feel it, Pagam, man.
Penny leverage.
Yeah.
Ricky tickets. Why would get
Okay, now I'm confused, Velut. Why is there so many kids? Like, who's the casting agent? Who brought these kids
Oh,
here?
yellow baba lo speak.
Uboke bahlala after school.
Hluphe ingane la. Ne security la nesikole ubanje futhi.
Who cleans this place?
Hey, okay, number 3.
Manje nongekwazi ngizothola ukiss. Ngizobhamba abafana bami.
Suck the toes of the person you found, Mr. Trick.
Suck the toes.
Hayi.
Hey, yo, there.
Ayikho ke into nje. Ayikho into nje. Lena into engekho. Suck the toes. What the fuck?
Ingane zesikole.
Hawu.
Then, suck the toes of the person you find attractive in the opposite gender.
Why the opposite one?
Awusetsa quick.
Toes.
Suck the balls. Who else is this?
Yeah, come on, let's go.
What's wrong with y'all niggas?
You can suck balls for information.
Good luck.
Yeah? Toes.
You trying to see who has pretty feet. It doesn't work.
Did he just say? Brother, oh, I thought he meant something else. Oh my god. I was like, this boy. Who raised you? Oh, I thought he said something else. Oh my god. I was like, what is this nigga saying? Oh my god.
Gore is snacks. Angizingeni.
Gotta go with small feet. Well, if you have to in this portion of the game, might as well. Oh my god.
That's fucking disgusting. I wouldn't even do that to someone that I'm already doing things to. It's like, I'm not sucking your feet. Fuck you.
Hey man. Never mind.
Yeah,
Play.
abakoti bendawo. Ikoti.
What in the actual fuck?
Baby native.
Wow, we not.
No, your toes.
Yes!
Mayakafuni.
Bagam!
Ingane ephuma ekhaya enemfundiso.
Right.
Nakho ke.
Ubaba noma bakhona. Ubabili.
I hope. I really hope.
Who the fuck wrote this?
That's what I don't know.
Who wrote that
Why
question?
are high school kids sucking toes?
Like, know your market, fam.
That's
Like,
it.
if it's the beach.
Whoa, I think about PSA. Ngicela ukuba umenere unyaka wodwa. Yabo. And ngifuna ukuhamba ama-high school onke, right? Within a space of 12 months. Into engiyobabhonya yona. Ngaqondisa igwegwe kule country. Ngaqondisa.
One leg at a time, boy.
Ngiyeva yobifana ne-Chris. Yobifana ne-Chris.
Look at the face of a man who's disappointed that he cannot do
What he wants to
what he
do to a
wants to
child.
what he wants to children of South Africa. Look at him. Look at this face. Like look at this face. Look at this face. Look at this face.
He's pissed. I'm same.
He's pissed. Like this is gonna. He wants to be low-key Quentin Tarantino.
Oh, number batla.
High on the straight. High on the straight.
Come on.
Like, fun.
I'm a gentleman. I'll never do it.
Gentlemen can be pedophiles.
Of course. That's why they do this. To cover up all the other nonsense.
Whose child is this? Jesus Christ. What is she still about?
Him saying, what?
Morai Chuna not knowing his turn is coming. Him saying Morai Chuna not knowing his.
Mobile to get pop my mobile. Wara. Areba. Hey, okay, number 4.
Emphasis on the word girl.
Child.
Okay, number 8.
Children.
Truth or dare? Ananda.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Dare. And there's Ananda.
Choose wisely.
What's your now?
Oh, look, it's a pie there. Hey, quite on said. Okay? There. Rock, paper, scissors. Loser get pie. We choose some shaman. We want to rock, paper, scissors. Best
She's
of
already
3.
bathed in that thing.
3.
Why?
Best of 2, Lucky Shot. Lucky Shot.
Yeah.
What
Lucky
is
shot.
best of 2, bitch? What matters is
Come add this.
you said best.
Like choose it all.
Goofy.
No, you're gonna get mine. She chose you. Yeah. Hey, one lucky shot, ne?
One lucky shot.
You're one.
Okay, let's have 1 or 2.
One.
Going to perform. There's no rules in this. One lucky shot. Oh.
How do you play rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah, sure. Okay, everybody's on the pin. It's on the pin.
Hi,
Let's go. Oh, lucky
Best
shot.
of 1. Best of 1.
1, 2, 1, 2. Rock, paper, scissors.
I really wish she won. Like, I need to see her comeback. This is sad.
Yeah, it's not nice. Right, tune. There's no rubbish tune.
From the line.
Line. Hey, yo, bakay, babang. May nagkapas pa siya po. Number 10. Hey, number 10.
Choose.
Just say truth. It's the easiest one.
Wait. Hi, Baba.
Hey, Baba. There, Baba. Hey, yo, quite on set. Hey, yo, quite on set. Listen. I dare you to twerk for 7 seconds.
What?
Twerk.
No sound. Bye. Looks up like, oh, wait, come down.
You'd rather twerk.
Twerk.
Ah, that's right.
Okay, you go, girl.
You're already in this abortion of a video of a game. Yes, wow.
Oh, the pie.
Dog, I'm not getting pie on my face. I don't like washing my face unnecessarily.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
It has to be a fight.
Let's get this shit.
It has to be a fight.
Why?
No, it has to be a fight.
Why?
You're not allowed to pie me without asking for my permission. I haven't given you consent.
No, but I play pie. Already
For their
I play.
best life, science to them.
Well, if
Hills.
You wanna bust it out on your own face? What the fuck is this?
Very important because it's
also, you should have someone bust it out on your face.
living area.
Okay, no, bust it out on your face. Manje ufuna ukukhala. Wenza nigga.
That's why I'm saying it's on site. I'm going to wash my face and then we're coming back. It's on site. You posed a very important question. Ufuna nenganeni? Ufuna nenganeni?
Shopping night in.
Play stupid games.
You guys be
with
mad as
stupid
shit.
prizes. Sorry.
One, two. What's the mango? I paid. Nine. I saw it. True tote. True tote. True. Truth. You have to be honest. You you have to be honest. Kaufela.
Good. Shoot me. Nice. He's clean. Yeah. Unalimeka nice, but I can't drink. Let's go. What's going on now? Are they real? Maru nice, clean. Eat. Oh, snacks. Tifta. When I heard man.
Sanity prevailed.
Do you know what could have happened in all this time?
Someone could have had their face splooged on because of him.
Anyway, this is cringy. It is.
I told you, but yeah.
Cringy.
That was Spiciest Truth or Dare. Let's give him the credit that is due. It's
That's like ShaShade or something.
ShaShade Thingz. Yeah. That's
Anyway,
him.
subscribe here. We like boy footing aksasa and suggest any video you'd like to see, you know.
In the comment.
Oh God, don't get paid, didn't totally. Lapela matuba.